Here we have a question of geometry, so let's take a step closer to our mission IOQM 2026. Okay, so nice. The question is, in a right angle triangle ABC, a circle is drawn taking AB as a diameter. Okay, so let us first try to draw a right angle triangle. I might not be that good in drawing the figures, but okay, I think it will be at least clear so that you people may understand it. Okay. So AB as a diameter, triangle ABC, right angled. Okay, let us AC is the hypotenuse. So of course now that makes clear that B is the vertex at which it is right angle. Okay. So draw a circle taking AB as the diameter. So it will be something like this maybe. Let's say, I mean, bear with me a bit. Let's say that's a circle. Okay. AC at P. So this is our point P. Tangent is drawn to the circle at P to meet the side BC at Q. So a tangent is drawn here which meets the side BC at Q. So that's the tangent here drawn to the circle at P and it meets the side BC at Q. Then BQ is to QC is actually M is to N. So Q divides the side length BC in the ratio M is to N. We have to find the value of 3M plus 2N. Basically, we have to find what ratio does Q divide BC. Okay. We'll be using some basic results here, of course. AB is the diameter. So if I join this point P with B, we know this is right angle. Okay. Then I will consider the center of the circle using basic theorems of circle, which we all know from our childhood. And what is it? The line segment joining the center of the circle with the point of contact of tangent is always perpendicular to the tangent. Okay. So now let's start. See, we have to find the ratio, isn't that? How will I start? I will say let this be an angle theta. The angle between BP segment and the tangent be theta. So in that case, this angle is 90 minus theta. Okay. Now OP and OB are radii. So that means it's an isosceles triangle. OBP is an isosceles triangle. Hence, angle OBP is also 90 minus theta. Okay, so that's one thing. Similarly, in the figure, we can say that this angle is 90 minus theta. So angle OPA, how much is it, bachcho? Since angle APB is 90, so and angle OPB is 90 minus theta, hence angle OPA is just theta. Okay, now this angle I am claiming it to be theta. Again, it's an isosceles triangle. OA and OP is an isosceles triangle. So from here we can conclude that angle OAP is also theta. Now if this angle is theta in triangle ABC, of course angle B is 90-degree angle. It is theta, so angle C has to be our 90 minus theta. Got it? So it's our 90 minus theta. Fine. Now see, this angle is 90, so this angle, see the complete angle, right angle, it's an angle. So if this angle is theta, this has to be 90 minus theta. I'm just explaining you how. See, APC is a straight line. So APC is a straight line. Now what does that mean? That means angles about the point P on this line should add up to give us 180 degree. Okay, angle APO is theta. Angle OPQ, angle OPQ 90 degree by theorem. So the remaining angle, what is that remaining angle? Remaining angle is bacho angle QPC. This imply angle QPC is of course 180 minus 90 plus theta. So that's why I said this angle has to be 90 minus theta. So angle QPC is 90 minus theta. Now what can we conclude from here? From here we can say that looking at this triangle, a triangle PQC, so in triangle PQC, angle C is actually equal to angle P. Okay, so it's an isosceles triangle. So PQ is equal to QC. So this means PQ is equal to QC. So that's one conclusion. Okay, now coming back to this triangle BPQ. Okay, now this angle is theta, as you can see here. Which angle? Angle BPQ is theta. Okay, now this complete angle was 90, this angle is 90 minus theta, I am marking it here, this angle is 90 minus theta. So the remaining angle BPBQ. So in triangle BPQ, angle PBQ is actually, how much is it? Theta. And then again we are done. Now we will, angle PBQ is theta, angle BPQ is theta, okay, which is equal to angle BPQ. So again it's an isosceles triangle. So what does that mean? That means angle line segment BQ is equal to PQ. Now from the statement 1 and statement 2 we can say that BQ is equal to QC. Now what does that mean? That means the ratio m is to n is actually 1:1. So the answer should be here, the answer should be bacho 5. Okay, so that's a simple question. Okay, see, it's a question of geometry. Sometimes it happens that figure is not given, we have to comprehend it. Okay, so this question can be asked, not, of course I'm not saying this question, but such type of question can be asked in a 3 marks type of question, where you have to draw the figure and you have to apply different theorems and get the result. In it may involve maybe 8 to 10 steps. Okay, so that's why I put it under the category of 3 marks question. Okay, chaliye, let's meet for the 4th question in our next video.